long is this rope from this end to this end? I know! Let's use our paw prints to measure it. How many paw prints long is the rope? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The rope is 5 paw prints long.
Let's count the paw prints. Tap them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The rope is as long as 5 paw prints. Let's sing a song. Good thinking. How long is the rhino? Let's measure it using sheep.
1, 2.
The rhino is as long as 3 sheep. Great job!
Olo wants to hold 3 balloons. He can hold 3 red balloons, 1, 2, 3. Or he can hold 2 red balloons and 1 blue balloon. Olo has 3 balloons. Or he can hold 1 red balloon and 2 blue balloons. Olo has 3 balloons.
Move the balloons around in Olo's hands. Press the green button when you're done. There are 5 cubs. Give 1 cub to Sandy. You gave 1 cub to Sandy. If you ever get stuck, tap me in the bottom corner. Drag 4 cubs to peck. Oops! Drag 4 cubs to peck. You gave 4 cubs to peck. Drag the 5 cubs back to the squares.
1, 2, 3, 4.
There are 5 cubs total, which is the same number as the beginning. Let's count some more. Count all the frogs.
1, 2, 3.
You counted 3 frogs. Drag 1 frog into the pool. 1 frog jumped into the pool. There are still 2 frogs on the log. Drag 1 frog back onto the log. There are 3 frogs on the log. That is the same number as before. Good counting!
Our goal is to make learning a fun and enjoyable experience for kids by creating beautiful 3D animation, educational lyrics,